Ever had your MacBook lose power right when inspiration strikes? Today, we're solving that problem once and for all. I'm sharing 5 powerful travel-ready power banks every MacBook Pro M5 user should own in 2025. Welcome to the channel. Check the links below and power your creativity wherever life takes you. The number 5 product on our list is JUOVI Power Bank. Running out of battery in the middle of work or travel is every MacBook user's nightmare. But this sleek 45-watt powerhouse finally ends that frustration. It's built for people who move fast and create non-stop. With 4 ports and dual Type-C outputs, it effortlessly charges your laptop, phone, and tablet at once, saving you from juggling cables or waiting turns. The 20,000 mAh capacity feels like carrying a wall socket in your bag, keeping your MacBook Pro alive through long flights, editing sessions, or road trips. The digital LED display adds a professional touch, letting you track every bit of power left with confidence. Compared to others in its category, it delivers more power per port while staying compact and travel-friendly. It's ideal for creators, travelers, and professionals who can't afford downtime. Reliable, efficient, and thoughtfully designed to keep your workflow uninterrupted and your devices ready for anything. Leverage SCMH/ At number 4 is AOHI Power Bank. Power anxiety hits hardest when your MacBook dies mid-transition, but this powerhouse changes that story entirely. Designed for modern creators and professionals, it delivers a massive 27,600 mAh capacity with lightning-fast 240-watt output, enough to fuel 2 laptops at once without slowing down. Whether you're editing 4K videos, designing on the go, or traveling between shoots, it keeps your MacBook Pro charged from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. The futuristic digital display gives you real-time insights into power flow, adding precision and confidence to every charge. Built with premium battery cells and advanced heat control, it stays cool, efficient, and safe, even under intense use. Compared to others in its range, this model stands out for its combination of raw power and smart design. It feels refined yet rugged. From heavy workloads to long travel days, it transforms how you manage power on the move. If you crave reliability, speed, and peace of mind in one compact block of energy, this one truly earns its spot in your tech bag. The third one on our list is UGREEN Power Bank. Running out of power in the middle of a deadline or edit can feel like hitting a wall, but this portable charger completely changes the game. Delivering a blazing 145-watt output, it charges your MacBook Pro from 0 to more than halfway in just half an hour, bringing instant relief when you're on the move. Its massive 25,000 mAh battery keeps your laptop, tablet, and phone powered through long trips or work sessions without ever searching for an outlet. Despite that strength, it's sleek, compact, and easy to carry, perfect for creators who value both mobility and muscle. The digital display gives a professional touch, showing real-time battery status so you're always prepared. It even recharges itself in just 2 hours, saving precious time between sessions. Compared to bulkier options, it feels refined and thoughtfully built. For anyone who works, travels, or creates without limits, this power bank delivers consistency, confidence, and pure peace of mind in one elegant design. On number 2 is the Lenovo Go Power Bank. Running out of power during a presentation or while editing on the go can be stressful, but this powerhouse makes that worry disappear. With 20,000 mAh of solid capacity and fast 65-watt output, it recharges your MacBook Pro smoothly and efficiently, keeping your workflow uninterrupted no matter where you are. What really stands out is the integrated USB-C cable. No more fumbling through your bag searching for cords. It's built into the design, sleek, smart, and ready when you are. Dual USB-C ports allow you to charge 2 devices at once, while an extra USB-A slot adds flexibility for accessories or phones. Compared to bulkier power banks, this one feels refined, lightweight, and truly built for professionals who move fast. Recharging takes only 3 hours, giving you more power in less time. Whether you're traveling, creating, or working remotely, this power bank adds that perfect mix of speed, convenience, and peace of mind that every modern MacBook user needs in 2025. Now moving to the last one is Anker Power Bank. Running low on power while editing, streaming, or working remotely can instantly kill your rhythm. But this powerhouse keeps everything running smoothly. With 3 100-watt USB-C ports, it can charge your MacBook, iPhone, and iPad all at once without losing speed or balance. That's real freedom for creators and professionals on the move. Its 25,000 mAh capacity feels endless, enough to keep your devices alive through long flights, road trips, or back-to-back work days. What makes it even smarter is the dual built-in cables, designed for convenience and strength, so you'll never dig through your bag looking for cords again. Recharging this beast takes minutes, not hours, with 100W ultra-fast input that hits 30% in under half an hour. Compared to others in its class, it feels thoughtfully engineered, compact yet powerful. Perfect for those who demand efficiency, speed, and reliability, this power bank delivers energy on command and peace of mind every single time you plug in. So guys, this was the video about the 5 must-have power banks for MacBook Pro M5 Users 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.